Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Studies Code. It is 9 a.m., which means it is time for your daily dose of vocabulary with me. The session is going to be under 10 minutes, and the words you're going to see here are taken from the Hindu. So if you have yet not subscribed to our channel, make sure to do so, and do not forget to hit on that tiny bell near it so that every day when the session comes, you all get notified. With that being said, let's start the session and let's discuss the first word for today. The first word that we're going to discuss today is derogatory. It means expressing a lack of respect for or a low opinion of something. So you have a derogatory nature towards somebody. That means you do not respect that person or you have a low opinion of them. Here you could see in the image, it is depicted very clearly, and this is basically the harsh truth of today's society. Here you could see this young person is giving money to a person who's not doing very good in life at present, and they are recording it. So they are recording it for the content, and this basically shows the lack of respect that this person has for the other one. So which is not a very good nature and something we all should condemn upon. Coming to the sentence, we have some time ago on the site, I made some derogatory comments about birds. So, sometimes ago, this person made some derogatory means very disrespecting comments about birds. This kind of scenario is seen every day now. You have Instagrams, you have so many of socials where most of the times we see that a lot of people they try to hide behind their profiles and they leave lot many derogatory comments on other people. Okay, so this kind of behavior we should all condemn it and should be against it. Coming back, we have the synonyms which are insulting, slightening, pejorative. Pejorative is a good word and it is very different, so I'll star mark that. And the antonym here is laudatory. Okay, this is a very different word and I'll star mark that also. Coming to the next word, we have the word intensive. Intensive means involving a lot of work or care in a short period of time. So something which requires intensive care means it requires a lot of care in a less period of time. The sentence here says he began an intensive treatment for diabetes. So he began a very treatment which requires a lot of work, a lot of care for diabetes. Synonyms here are fierce, ferocious, deep, terrible, and heavy. And antonyms here are moderate, light, and soft. Next word for us is plea. Plea means an important and emotional request. So you're pleading somebody, you are basically requesting them. Here you could see in the image as well, it is depicted very clearly. The sentence is, he made an urgent plea for the public to help catch the dealers. So he made a very urgent, very emotional request to the public to help catch the dealers here. Synonyms are appeal, prayer, petition, pleading, cry, desire, and solicitation. This is different. We'll star mark that. And antonym here is refuse. Next, we have the word rancor. Rancor means bitterness or resentfulness, especially when long standing. So you have a long standing bitterness or anger towards someone. Okay. Here the sentence says the bitterness and the rancor that exists between them was as strong as ever. So the long standing bitterness or resentfulness between two people was long standing one and it was very strong. Synonyms here are animosity, animus, antagonism, antipathy, and enmity. Okay, here all these words are very important and very different. So I'll star mark them, pay extra attention on them here. And antonym here is amity and cordiality. Basically, these words mean friendship. Okay, so therefore they are antonyms here. Next word that we have is maling. Maling means to say or write bad things about somebody, something, publicly, especially in an unfair manner. So basically, what you're trying to do, you're trying to show that the other person is not a good person. So how will you do that? You'll write bad things about them. You'll start spreading rumors about them publicly. And which is very unfair. You could see in the image, this person is, he's an innocent person, good person. But because someone else is spreading rumors about them, they're spreading maling about them, Therefore, they are trying to portray that that person is not good. So they are publicly trying to show that that person is bad person. Here the sentence is, he took every opportunity to malign his character and spread untruth about him. So he took it, or like as you could see here in the image as well, she is taking all the opportunity there so that she could malign his characters, spread untruth about that person. Synonyms are cruel, vicious, hateful, malignant, nasty, and malevolent. Here, this is important. Also, vicious is also important. So we'll star mark that. Antonyms are benign, benevolent, loving, and good, which is very good and different words. So we'll star mark these also. Next, we have the word for the day, which is halt. If you have seen our previous session, all of you must be knowing the meaning of this. And I want to see how many of you guys comment in the comment section the meaning of this particular word. I'll be waiting for it. Lastly, we end the session here. And if you did like the session, make sure to hit on the like button, share it with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. With that, we'll end the session here. Thank you for watching.